Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. It's been quite the winter here in the Midwest and I haven't been able to get my real cars out to have fun with those. So I started collecting Hot Wheels. So it's a fun little hobby to do. You can get into it for not a lot of money. You can get the cars for a little over $1 a piece with inflation these days. But Amazon sells these 16 packs throughout the year that kind of has all the new releases in it for the year. So I pre-ordered quite a few of those and my first box just arrived. It's the B box. So we're going to do an unboxing on the B box for you and show you all the cars that came in that. And then we'll show you a quick peek at the stuff that I've collected so far. Alright guys, so here's my little wall that I made. And you know, some of the cars that I've collected, I like to collect the cars, the real cars that I've had. I like to have the die cast if I can find them. So that's some of the cars that we've had in the past if you've been around the channel for long. You got the McLaren, the GT3. We did have the C8 briefly, and quite a few of the Boxsters and Caymans and the other Porsches. But yeah, here's some of the stuff that we've collected so far since starting out. This here is my electric car line there, and then I kind of like the supercar stuff. That's kind of my favorite, Porsches and the Ferraris. I did finish off my Holy Trinity there here not too long ago, so if you see that, we got the 918, the McLaren P1, and the LaFerrari. That LaFerrari is hard to find. That one was pretty spendy on eBay. But yeah, so a lot of these are new for this year, and then I actually just picked up a big lot of 90s mainlines that I found on Craigslist locally, over 500 cars. So been going through those and found some cool stuff like these Ferraris up there, and that 959 is pretty cool. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing of the B box. Alright guys, so here's the first box. Supposedly this is a B box. Maybe if you guys know, tell me in the comments if there's a way to tell this is a B box. I know on the big brown boxes that they sell at the stores, or that they can get at the stores, those have some numbers that you can tell it's a B, but I don't think any of these numbers here tell you that it's specifically B. We probably know once we get into the cars here. You'll be able to tell if that's in the B release. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so I've got half of them right side up and the others upside down. So let's see if we got anything cool in here. We'll just go through all these here, and we'll show each one by one to you. Okay, so let's start off with this guy. I have quite a few of these already that I've picked up. I think they're really cool, the 300 SL. So we'll have an extra one of those now. And let's see what else we got here. The Rally Special. Kind of cool look to it. I have not seen this one. The Volvo P1800 Gasser. It's kind of a cool look to it. Kind of a cool car. I might have to put that one aside. Ooh, the 80s El Camino. That reminds me of Breaking Bad and the El Camino movie. That's got a cool look to it though. Tubbed out El Camino. Skateboard. The Skate Grom. Kind of cool. C7 Z06 convertible. That's kind of a cool ride. I'm going to set that one aside too. Maybe put that one on my wall. I think I have one other C7. I have this one on my electric line already, the Panamera Turbo Hybrid. Actually, that's not on the electric one. I have the new electric car from Porsche, the Taycan. I have that one on my wall too, but that looks similar to the Taycan. The Dodge van, 55th anniversary. Or at least it says 55th. I assume that's what that means. The race team. The old Bentley Continental GT3. Kind of a cool look. And we got a Nissan Z. I have a couple of these that I picked up already, so we'll have an extra one of those. I think the new Z is pretty cool. What do we got here? A Nissan Maxima drift car. It's kind of different. I thought it was like a Crown Vic or something. The front end kind of looks Ford, like a Ford. I've not seen that one either. Roger Dodger. Big old supercharger on that thing. What do we got here? Custom 11 Camaro. You know, we're bigger fans of the Mustangs, so we got quite a few of those on the wall already, but don't think we're putting a Camaro up on our wall, even though it's kind of cool looking. The Mario Kart. If you guys didn't see, I posted a picture here not too long ago asking if I should make my Tesla, if I should wrap it like the Mario Kart. I think that would be kind of cool. I saw somebody who had a Mario Kart wrap. Oh, dude, check that out. We got an 84 Fox body. That's going on the wall for sure. My son's going to fight me for this one. He's like in love with Fox bodies here as of late. I don't know why. He really likes them, but that one looks awesome. Fox body definitely going up on the wall. And we got Off the Grid Delivery is our last one here. And yeah, we have still yet to get our first treasure hunt. I've been collecting for a few months and definitely keeping an eye out for them, but haven't got any of those treasure hunts or super treasure hunts. We've got 4 more Amazon boxes to go. We pre-ordered the B, C, D, E, and F boxes, so stay tuned for unboxings on those, and maybe we'll get our first treasure hunt. But yeah, this is a little something different this time for this video, guys. Just trying to make it through this winter until spring finally hits and we can get the regular cars back out. So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.